Hi. In this video, I will show you how to manage quotations or estimates. If you are on the workbench screen, on the required job tile, click on Add Quotation. All the job information is already there. You still can add products or other services. You can also add more information for your customer. If you are offering a discount, type what it is for and its amount. Check the sales tax video to know more about it. Click Save. This is how your quotation looks like. Send the quotation to your customer. This is the email your customer will receive. Your customer will click on the link to view the quotation. All set. You should now wait for the customer to accept it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and see you later.
Simply to be. Expand your business the simplest way.